Hello guys, welcome back to Eric Monda Capital, where we invest in the global market, in the global forex market, in the global stock market, and also in the cryptocurrency market and the treasury bills market. So today we are going to do a little bit of derivatives, which is the EURUSD, pound versus the USD, Australian dollar versus the USD, and also Bitcoin. We will also do some volatility indices offered by derive.com. Yeah, but that will be in our next video of how to trade volatility indices, part 6. I'm using tradingview.com. Yeah, and this is the monthly time frame. You can see actually it has maintained our downtrend. Yeah. So at the moment you're here, and this is the monthly time frame, sorry, and we did forecast that it will go down to the extent where it hit this support here some few months ago and continue to break. So let me remove these arrows and make my mark is what was expected in the markets back then. I remember I shared with you, but now it took this route right over here. This is still valid, so we're waiting for a retracement up to this point for us to actually continue placing sell orders or to continue shorting the EURUSD. Yeah, this is on a monthly time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, yeah, it shows if we break through this point right over here, we expect it to continue on the upside up to around 1.12. But on the flip side, if we use the Fibonacci tool, we expect it actually to reach almost 1.15, yeah, before we short it again. But the long-term trend is bearish, but now the price moves always in a zigzag formation. So we're just going to wait for that bullish momentum to fade off so that we can sell it, because I believe in the long run it is profitable, heavily profitable to sell it than to buy it in the long term. But let's wait and see. Remember, we never know how the market will be. We just ride the trend. Yeah, regardless of me analyzing with you guys, we don't know how the market come Monday morning will be, so we just ride the trend. Let's look at I'm going to be removing this one because now they have served their purpose. If you don't know, you can see actually it didn't go up to here, but it's still going down. Yeah, the trend, it broke the giver. It gave on this monthly trend, it gave a false breakout, but then went back down. Let me remove this for clarity. Yep, so that's it. Let me give you guys zones to watch on this derivative. In the long term, for pound versus the US dollar, we expect some support right over here. Yeah, right over here you can see the behavior. This is the monthly time frame. The behavior it reaches when it reaches at this point. So we expect a similar behavior. But if it breaks it, please short it. Yeah, just wait for it. Wait for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, then short it. Let's look at the weekly time frame. Yeah, so on the weekly time frame, it took the supports, that zone right over here, which is 1.22245. So guys, just watch on it. Let me even remove this one. It has also served its purpose. Now all these zones are zones to watch out for. Yeah, so always remember that these are very good zones to look at the prices. Okay, so our zone is right over here before we can place any of our orders for this week. Yeah, let's look at the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. This has been pretty volatile, very volatile. It's actually at our zone. Yeah, if you can see it, it's actually at our zone, whether we with this green zone right over here. So for the next coming few days, you're going to watch it and see if it breaks it or if it's going to go up and retest it. Yeah, or if it's going up and retest. And also there is a pattern which is about to form, but let's see if it will continue forming. Let's look at the weekly time frame. Yeah, you can see on the weekly time frame there is a consolidation in between 0.78 to 0.70, a claimed 800 pip zone. If it breaks within this, for the long-term traders, that is, not the short-term. I'm not talking about the short-term traders for this conversation. For the long-term traders, if it breaks this zone right over here and this right over here, yeah, we can now go for the long-term effect, which is you can even open a trade and close it now, even next year or something of that sort, or even in the next 6 months or something of that sort. So it's still holding in our weekly time frame. In our daily, the consolidation now becomes good. This is the short-term consolidation, this is the long-term consolidation. Yeah, from here to here is the long-term, from here to here is the short-term. So any break between these points, the markets will move aggressively, and be sure to ride on that market. Yep. Oh, so let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been actually plummeting, and that's a very good thing, because now it gives us, do you see actually the M pattern? If you have been looking at my videos, you can know that we discussed this a very long time ago. We discussed this a very long time ago, and hope it was profitable for you. This, because this is the M pattern. Honestly, I think Bitcoin might even click 25,000 or 23,000. Last time it clicked almost when was it? This right over here, it clicked almost 29,000. So for you to get that bullish momentum, I believe we need to go back a little bit, just like an arrow. Before you release an arrow, you need to push it back a little bit so that you can go back and break the higher highs it has already made. So this is it, the M pattern. You can see it just like that. After you're done with the M pattern, you expect the bulls to come back with a lot of force. Yeah, so be very vigilant about Bitcoin. Its prices is actually very low for now, and do not be left out on this wonderful bearish momentum. You may be fearful for now, but do not let the market panic as you do. Yeah, let the market panic, but for you should be buying some of these things, because I can assure you, after the recession is done, after this COVID period is done, trust me, we'll never have a season which even stock prices are very low for us to buy, crypto is very low for you to buy. Yes, and don't be the fellow that buys because now you have waited for the season to end to come and buy Bitcoin right over here. It doesn't give you value for your money. Yeah, So we buy it here so that even if it goes down, there's still some value in our money, so that we can expect it to go up. And also I've been asked about Bitcoin trainers, which are a lot in Kenya. I don't know about you guys, but I do also train it. We offer a course in portfolio management, but if you see somebody emphasizing much on training rather than on investing, be very, very fearful. Most trainers actually make money from training and not from investing / trading. Okay, so be very careful with those trainers. Look for a trainer with good credibility, people who can show you their results. Yeah, in Forex we do send a link to our accounts. If you really want to join us, we do send a link with BlueFX or MyFX book. But with these crypto trainers, what they really do is that they sell you that we call it financial porn. That financial porn, that it will go up. Pay for my course and you learn. And trust me, with crypto you can learn. I'm actually self-taught in all these things, from crypto, from Forex, which includes currencies, derivatives, and indices, and also stocks. I'm self-taught. Yes, it takes a while, but you get a grip on all these capital market products. Yeah, so be very careful. There are a lot of scammers. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of DMs asking me whether they have seen, whether or they know this type of trainer, and I say, I mean, if a trainer cannot give you results or on whether how much he or she has invested, but he's busy telling you to buy his course, and the emphasis is buying the course, please just walk away. Because the thing is, with trainers, as I said earlier, they make money from training you guys. They don't make money actually from investing. I can show most of them even don't make a dime. And they're very legit actually traders who actually train other people, and those are actually out there. But when it comes to crypto, be very careful about the crypto trainers. I would rather somebody with crypto, somebody who knows a little bit of Forex, somebody who knows a little bit of T-bill, somebody who knows a little bit of stocks to train me, than somebody who specializes only on crypto. Yeah, it's a very profitable thing, I know, yes, but when it comes to training, be very, very, very careful about these so-called crypto trainers. Yeah, I believe I've answered some of the questions I got in my DM for the past few months. I've been avoiding it, but I decided to talk about it right now. But please, if you can teach yourself, then well and good. Don't take the shortcut. Especially most of these portfolio courses, professional portfolio courses, cost about, the least I've encountered, and there are people who are verified at like $500. So anything below that, trust you me, there are definitely some scamming going on. Maybe whatever you're being told is something that you can actually teach yourself, something that is grabbed from the internet, and then they come and charge it for you. Yeah. So the best clue for me, for a parting shot, is just know the emphasis of this fellow that you want to train with. If he's an investor, he's a trader, yeah, he will be emphasizing on investing, he'll be emphasizing on trading, not training. If he's a trainer, he'll be emphasizing on training, not even trading or investing. Yeah. So that being said, you can follow us on Facebook at Eric Mwenda Capital. You can follow us on Twitter at Mwenda Capital. You can also check our website out. We have this fantastic course we do at Portfolio Managers, and also you can check out our YouTube channel. Yeah. So guys, have a profitable week, and please, if you have not opened an account with Kraken or Coinbase or Binance, please do, so that you can start purchasing some of these crypto assets. You don't need any help to do that. So guys, bye bye, have a good day.